Name?
My name is Stefan Rail from Boombox and I'm doing the Reebok Nano Trials qualifier.
I'm doing this for my mom.
Asa?
Not the bloopers.
Ay, doon ka pa para ano? Para, yung dumbbell. Ayan, kita yan. Alright. Grabe bro, talagang pinakita yung abs, no? Rar.
Yabang mo, doon pa lang talo na ako. Naka-t-shirt ako.
Recording na to.
Hindi.
Okay, ready.
Boombox ka.
Nah.
Sa basketball,
Branding.
20 minutes ako nasa loob ng court eh.
Market king.
Ba't dito 5 minuto lang patay ako?
Yung ibang minuto mo, mas stroke-stroke ka pa.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
Di ba gabi na? Nakikita ko liwanag. 3, 15, 16, last 4, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Down. Step up.
1.
Ganyan moves dapat.
Ganun. Pakita ko sa'yo. 3, 4. The coach is always right. Practice yung movement mo. 5. Yeah, practice it. Kaya ako, finish na sa ganun na lang. 6.
Nalilito ka. Pinig ko.
7. Second round ka babawi. 8. 9. For sure si Chris na ganyan din. 10.
Or in logic, yung side nung dumbbell, yun yung unang tap.
12. 13. 14.
Dami ko pa lore.
15.
Nakakaubos din eh.
16. Part of yan. Part of
So ayun yan yung
17. Ako rin lang roll. 17 na ba ako? 18. 19. 20. That's 5. 21. 22. 23. Bola. 4.
That's one.
25. Go. Pick it up. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 10, wait, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Same step up pero ano, a bit faster now. Same lang, pero para a bit faster. 1, 2, 3. Ace na to. 4. 5. 6. Come on. Workout na yan. 7. 8. 9. 10.
yung bata ako pagka ito ko
Then, wait, keep on going. 6 na.
12. Faster. Talo ka pa ni Wolf, oh.
30.
Hindi pa patalo yan, narinig ka sa mga
40. Last minute. 50. 60. 70. Yan. 18. 19. 20. Last na 5. 5. 30 mark. 4. 3. 2.
Last one.
1.
Okay, go, go, jump!
Go! 1. Jump, jump. 2.
3.
3.
Go, go, faster.
4.
10 seconds.
5. 6.
Faster, faster.
7.
Go!
8.
Okay.
Okay. Time. Okay.
Shiny here, brother! Shiny here, brother!
Ay! 5 reps lang.
In fairness.
The difference between pace and rush.
Is
Ito paces or rushes. Lang, antok na si James. James!